What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a what's in my bag type video, followed by a review of the bag that I use, which is a Trivium bag. It's a 3-in-1 duffel bag that is super useful, super cool, nothing like I've ever seen before that I am absolutely loving. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
So let me start by saying this is the bag that I'm using. It's a Trivium bag. It is obviously compactable like so. It's cool, lightweight, compactable. I took everything out of the bag for the purpose of this video, as you can see to my right. So I'm gonna put this over here for now. And I'll give you the first item, which are a pair of wireless headphones that I always keep with me. I do this for a multitude of reasons. The first being if I'm gonna go to the gym, I never wanna forget a pair of headphones. Number two, if I just need a vibe or get into a good mood, you know, maybe sit by the water, throw these on, play some music on my phone, or use like some sort of meditation app, something like that. So I always like to keep headphones with me, so that's the first item. The second item is a bottle of water. Always keep water with me. It's important to always keep hydrated. As you guys know, I'm very aware of what goes into my body, and the most important thing you need to do is stay hydrated. Speaking of which, next item is a bottle of men's fragrance. This is just a bod throwback to 2009 bod spray. That's what I'm using right now. It actually smells pretty good, but I like to keep it on me just in case I get out of the gym, or I forget to put deodorant on, or I just need a little refresh. It's always good to keep a little fragrance on you. And it doesn't have to be Gucci, Versace, YSL, whatever. All right, just something that smells good. The next item I keep in my bag is a notebook. I like to jot down the progress at the gym, or if I get any creative ideas, I can just jot them down. Yes, I keep my phone on me, but I don't know about you guys, there's something about actually writing that does something for me. As soon as I start putting that pen on the paper, I just go and go and go and go and go. So call me old school, but I always like to keep a pen and paper in my bag with me. Next item is the most important of them all. It's the wallet. I don't always put my wallet in my bag, admittedly, but on days like today where I'm wearing a pair of joggers and just a track jacket, if you put this wallet in your pocket, your joggers, it's just gonna look bulky and awkward. So I keep that in my bag when I'm wearing an outfit like this today. Oh, I will also link all the products that I am showing you today down below, with the exception of the bottle of water, because you can get water anywhere, and the headphones. I will link a couple of headphones that I do like down below. I am not going to link these specific ones for the fact that they are not made. They are mine. I ordered them. I sampled them. They are my own creation that I have been developing. Whether I'm going to continue with that, I'm not quite sure. If you want me to, leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. So now it's time for the baby Mav, the drone. Always carrying the drone with me. It's a Mavic Pro. I paid about $1,200 for it, brand new. Just for reference, guys, you can get a lot cheaper drone, a smaller drone, for probably a third of the price. Just so you're aware, I'm gonna link a few options in the description down below so you can check them out and see if you want one. You can even get this one like refurbished for probably half the price, but you could also get a new smaller one with probably better video quality for a less price. So I'll link a few options down below, like I said, so be sure to check them out. Also, this drone came with this remote, which attaches right to your cell phone, so you can see exactly what the drone sees through your phone. It's wild. So if you guys are on the market for a drone, check it out. Now it's time for the big reveal of the Trivium bag. It is a 3-in-1 duffel bag, guys. It unfolds to 3 different sizes, which I really do love about it. Whether I need to pack stuff for like a camping trip, or to just throw gym stuff in there, or even just like small cosmetic things, there's a size for everyone, which I really love about this bag. It's just fantastic. The design is sleek, it's not ugly, it's a nice shade of yellow on the black, which can't go wrong with that. So if I'm traveling somewhere, and I know that I'm gonna be bringing more stuff back, or I know that I'm gonna need a bag, I can fold this puppy right up and it fits right in my luggage. Or if I'm not gonna be using this for a while, I can just fold it up just like this and throw it under the bed, throw it in the closet, throw it in a drawer even. I know a lot of times I've tried to fold up other duffel bags and it's just been a horror show, and I can never find a place for them and they're awkward and I just want to throw them all out, which I probably am gonna do because I got this puppy. So let me show you how it works. There's a drawstring on either side of the bag that's got a nice little compartment that it fits in. You basically unleash the drawstring. So you just unfold it like so. And it turns into the duffel bag. So this is the largest size. All right, this is what I would compare to like a military style bag, you know, like an over the shoulder, you know, carrying like camping gear and stuff like that. Like you would like wear like vertically on your back, not horizontally, not like this. I mean, you could, but the biggest size I think is meant for like, you know, again, like a military style type bag. So it has drawstrings on either side, like so. And basically the way that you turn it into a smaller bag is that you fold in the compartments on the ends behind the drawstring, and it just folds in on itself nice and neatly. Like so. See how it's hollowed out? And then you just pull that drawstring in, and they have a nice little compartment where you just put that drawstring in. All right, so that would be like the mid-size bag with one side in. And then the smallest size, you would again just do the same thing on the other side, fold it in, make sure it's hollow behind the drawstring line, and just boom, you know. And then you got a little tiny cosmetic style bag. I didn't really pull this side tight. But boom, you know, like a little cosmetic bag, you know. I'm just going on an overnight trip. You know, I don't need a lot of things. I just need, you know, deodorant, shampoo, cologne, whatever. So a lot of my dudes out there can relate. And so that's the smallest size bag, guys. Again, I really do love this bag. I've been loving using it, so I definitely recommend it. I will link it down below. Also, at the time of this video, I do have a post on my Instagram, which you can go check out. I'll link my Instagram down below, as I always do. And again, I'll link all the products that I used today down below as well. Honestly, once you buy this bag, you'll never need another duffel bag again. The only drawback I have with this bag is that the directions to use it, it didn't come with any. Not that it takes a rocket scientist to figure it out. However, that's the only downside I see to it. But again, man, I mean, once you buy this bag, you'll never need another duffel bag again. So it's useful for any and all purposes. I highly recommend that you check it out. Go check out my friends at Trivium, and let me know what you think in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I do release videos every Monday to get your week started, and every Friday to get your weekend going. I do release bonus videos at random, so turn that notification bell on and you won't miss a thing. Thank you again so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you next time.